Greetings of peace from the Gelacio Yason Foundation Family Farm School. We are a unique secondary school founded in 2001 by volunteer lay leaders and clergy in Oriental Mindoro. Being a non-profit organization who aims to help contribute to poverty alleviation through holistic education, we have encountered a lot of challenges. There was a time that we almost closed down due to financial difficulties for students are only paying a counterpart that barely covers the operational expenses. Implementing a holistic education is already a big challenge. Sustaining it is even like a gargantuan task. But through dauntless perseverance and help from those people that God sent along our way, our life of miracle continue to manifest that loving kindness is here to stay. Now, our holistic education is composed of different advocacies to form the youth and their families such as organic agriculture, ecology, family enterprise, natural health, and holistic well-being practices through transcending mind, energy healing, 3 acts of goodness, meditation, and Capacitar. For these blessings, we are deeply grateful that there are people who have been instrumental in our survival, in our growth, and further realization of our mission. One such blessing was when we encountered Capacitar in August 2018. It enriched the way we look at things and helped us raise our efforts to a new level in assisting people on how to improve their lives. Capacitar was instrumental in making us realize that what we are doing is essentially part of healing. If the people are healed, they can learn to love, which is after all the only thing we need. So, we are now challenged to continue this path to healing, first ourselves, so that we can be able to help others heal too. We are forever grateful to Capacitar International, to those who brought it to us, Teacher Lilian and Diana, and to Joan and Pat, who started it all, and Vicky for making it possible for us to come together today. This is our journey with the Healing Mission and with Capacitar. Since 2018, we have gone through series of Capacitar trainings. Witnessing the benefits of Capacitar, we started to adopt the techniques into our curriculum as well as in our daily lives. It would be hard to preach to others if we do not practice. So, we tried to develop strategies on how to install a system to make the practice of Capacitar tools a habit, especially during the pandemic period, where we experienced height of uncertainties. We were pushed to reflect deeper and evolve ways to make it work for us and for our students. We installed the routine of daily paldan gum in the morning, the weekly healing sessions, and the monthly well-being sessions among the staff. Even with the pandemic, where we followed distance learning mode, we tried to make a way for our students to practice Capacitar. There were stories that it helped them a lot in coping with the stress and emotional problems that they felt. We had experiences where we reached out to more than 100 teachers and other participants through virtual sharing of Capacitar. When the face-to-face learning delivery resumed, we continued to practice Capacitar as part of the daily routine in the school among the staff and the students. The practice found its way to the lesson plans and regular gatherings of the staff. Monitoring tools undergo refinements to effectively measure the benefits of the healing practices as well as in helping make it a habit. We had the Capacitar First Aid Kit translated to Filipino for the use of students and parents. Initial documentation of the impact of Capacitar practice is ongoing. In our outreach activities with the other schools, we have also provided Capacitar skills to some 630 elementary students and teachers. We have partnership with the parish in conducting Capacitar among the youth ministry and the community. To date, we have already shared Capacitar among 4,000 youth, parish members, teachers, parents, and other members of our community, as well as from a wider coverage through face-to-face mode as well as with the virtual venue. We aim to continue and deepen our practice, making it a part of our daily lives. We hope to be able to produce better documentation of our experiences, including the stories of how the Capacitar practice benefits our staff, our students, and their families. Documentation and sharing of such stories make powerful materials to help promote the practice. This leads to spreading the practice of healing and consequently benefiting from it. We are so glad to be part of this shared mission of healing ourselves and healing the world. Namaste!
Hello ma'am, gusto ko lang po kayong tanungin, kumusta po ang inyong Capacitar practice?
Ayan, tuwing kami ay nag-meeting sa aming farmers ang aming association, organic yan. Di ba kami ay nakapag-training doon sa farm school ay yung may isa kaming miyembro na lalaki ay aktibong-aktibo yun. Kaya kapag kami ay nag-meeting, inaano niya doon sa mga kasama na, ganito. Yan, itinuturo niya. Ako naman sa personal ko, yung lahat na natutunan ko sa farm, kagaya nga ng sabi ko, kahit ako'y nagsisimba, pag medyo masama ang aking pakiramdam, ay ginagawa ko yan. Kahit nakikinig ng misa, kay Father, nagsisermon, kung ano-anong pinagagawa ko. Natatandaan ko yung sinabi ni Sir John, ito daw ay booster. Kaya kahit saan ako, kung masama ang pakiramdam ko, at kahit hindi parang naging ugali ko na. Kasi sabi nga ay malaki ang naitutulong. Oo nga, at malaki talaga ang naitutulong ng mga pisil-pisil na At naituturo ko na rin doon sa iba na ganito ang kuan. Kaya sabi ko, gusto kong i-try doon sa school, sa elementary. Kapag magturo ako ngayon ng parang ituturo baga sa mga bata ganito. Halimbawa mga alauna, di ba, critical na oras. Pwedeng pisil-pisilin ito, di ba? Maaanuhan ng mga bata.